is 1688.com, and I'm going to pick a couple of products. Look at this blender. This blender can crush bottle. Okay, it can crush anything it can crush. Okay, that's the blender, and this blender is sold for 65 yen. Okay, so how much is that in naira? So you come over here and say 65, let's even say 67, multiply by 100 to convert it to naira. If you want to convert it to dollar, in naira it's 6,700 plus the shipping fee, let's say 10,000. If you want to convert that to dollar, let's say divided by 480. Okay, and that is going to give us $13. And if I go to Amazon for you right here now, Amazon, and I ask Amazon or eBay that how much do you sell Silvercrest blender, you will see the price. So with about 13,000, with about $13 to like how many dollars now, you can get Silvercrest blender. I'm trying to look for that exact red one. I can see one here already, but I'm trying to look for the red one. But if I can't get the red one, I might have to use the one with other color that I'm saying. So look at the one we have here right now. That's it. Look at this. Look at this. So this Silvercrest blender, and it's sold for $85. Okay, it's sold for $85. You buy it with about $13. Let's say plus or minus, you are able to let's say $13 plus another $10, making $23, and it's $85. Or let's even say $25. $85, take away $25. You should be having $60 profit. And if you are able to sell 10 of that in a week or in a month, that's about $600. Now, that's for those people based outside Nigeria that want to sell on that platform, which is Amazon. Having said that, we need to also look at eBay. Some people may want to sell on eBay. Okay, so if you want to sell on eBay, what are some of the things you need to do? So let's look at the way it goes here. Selling on eBay. Look at this. If you look at it critically, you will start coming to a point where you see, okay, I'm trying to get one that I can use as an example. I can see a lot of hand blender here, but I can see one Silvercrest blender here. Oh, it's the one for the hand. Okay, no problem. Let's just go back there and say, let me give you some space. So we could see that one is $85. But what if I want to check it over here? Is 30,000. So that means you're going to be making an extra profit of about 20,000. Okay, making an extra profit of 20,000 on something you buy for 10,000. Sell 10 in a week or sell 10 in a month. That's 200,000 naira profit. Now, if you want to market it, what do you do? How do you market it? With a one-page website, if people have their product, you can be helping them to do exactly what I'm going to be showing you now. So what do? You come over here, so that is called sites.google.com. And when you come over to sites.google.com, you come over here and you see a blank page. And when you see a blank page, you click on it. Once you click on it, let's say your name is, I want to pick a name, Successful Summy, e-commerce store. Let's assume that's the name of your business and that's the name of your online store. Successful Summy e-commerce store. And then after you've gotten this, you want to make it look good, and you make it bold. And okay, let me make everything bold. You want to make everything bold, and then you do that. After doing that, you want to change the background, you can select an image. Okay, so let's come over here and see an image that we can select. This is optional though, but you know, you can just pick something that you feel is good. Okay, so you want to pick this. Let's see how this looks. Select. Okay, I haven't select this. Can you see this? Maybe I should just look at another background. Okay, let me change it that to another background, something that maybe maybe like this. Okay, maybe like that. So I select that, and what do we have? See what we have over here. You can also decide that, okay, I don't want that, I want to pick something else, and then I pick this. And when I pick that, I say select, and then you have this. So having gotten that level, the next thing you want to do is that there are different layouts that you have over here, right? You are going to pick an example of a layout, and I'm going to pick this one. So the moment I pick this, I drop it here. Can you see that? You now come over here to where you have plus here, and you click on it. And when you click on it, before you click on it, you might want to check out this one. This one, selection of backgrounds. You can just pick a background that you want for that particular place. Okay, so let me just see if I can pick one background that I want for that particular place that is not busy. Okay, let me pick the same. Okay, let me pick something else. And then I say select. Okay, so I picked that already. And I come over here and I say upload. So you're going to pick an image that you want to sell, right? The image you want to sell, and it has to be in JPEG form or PNG. If it's in other format, it might not actually go. So this one is in JPEG. I pick it, and when I pick it, I put it there. Okay, once I put it there, you can see the way it looks. I may decide to change it because it's not looking so well the way I would have loved it to look like. So I want to go to maybe downloads. Maybe I can get something better. Trying to get something better. I scroll down a bit more. Okay, since I'm not getting that on that platform, on that my interface, I want to see again. Okay, look at this. I like this. Okay, and I put this here. And when I put this here, it's looking a bit good. And then I come over here, I say a blender. I say something like this. You can put anything there. Get a blender that can blend bottle. Okay, so I put it there. Then I come over here to spark.adobe.com and I say, I click on the plus sign and I say video. And when I say video, it gives me the option and I skip. And when I skip, instead of me to start from the scratch, I just decided that, you know what, let me pick a template. And I decide that, okay, I'm going to pick a template like this. And when I pick that template, while that template is coming up, I need to let you know that you can do the video personally on your own. You put a phone in your front or a camera in your front, you record yourself, and you do a video explaining what that product can do and why people should buy from you. And once you do that, you are good to go. So you can now link that video with that image. You're going to see the way I'm going to do it now. I'm going to pick this and do a split screen. Okay, split screen. Can you see that? So this is asking me for image. So and I said this. So I said, okay, pick a photo. If you have a video, you want to put it there. So I pick a photo. Picking a photo is asking me to upload a photo here. Okay, uploading a photo here. I want to come over here and say I pick this image, right? And when I pick that image, I just come here and that image is standing there. Can you see that? And I come over here and I say text, okay? And I say one of the best, and the cheapest blender in the world is sold for a very low price. get one now. Call 0811-4545-706. I put that right. So I can decide that that is the text I'm going to put. And I can say, I can hold on to read that. One of the best blender and cheapest in the world is sold for a very low price now. To get one, call 0811-4545-706. So I finished recording, right? I'm just waiting for it. So I can now play this. To read that. One of the best blender and cheapest in the world is sold for a very low price now. To get one, call 0811-4545-706. So I'm done with that. Read that. One of the best blender and cheapest in the world is sold for a very low price now. To get one, call 0811-4545-706. So you see that this last part, I didn't put anything there. So I want to put something like this. Call 0811-4545-706. You can just come up with something fantastic, right? Something very nice, something very, very interesting that you yourself you will like. Okay, so and once you're done with that, you can put all of this together and say that you are done. So let me play the video to read that. One of the best blender and cheapest in the world is sold for a very low price now. To get one, call 0811-4545-706. So you can now say download. The moment you download this, what happens is that you can now do something like this. The moment you download this, you can do something like this. So as I was saying, you need to understand that you will download this. Okay, you download this right now. Let me click on download. So the moment you download this, the next thing you want to do is to link it to your YouTube channel. Okay, so let me check out for that video whether it's been downloaded. Okay, so I come over to my download to see if that my video has been downloaded. Okay, I've not seen it, so I need to go back. So now you can make it a lot simpler. Okay, you can make this a whole lot simpler. You may not do this video, it's not compulsory, but if you do this video, it's going to make it look beautiful, it's going to make it fantastic, it's going to make it okay. So having said this, the next thing you need to do now is to come back to this place and say, get a blender that can blend anything. You've done the video. You will now come over here. Once you come over here, you look at this link. You click on it. Once you click on it, you will now come and put the link over here. So let's assume that this is the link up here. You have uploaded it on your YouTube channel, and this is the link. So you come over here, and then you drop this link here. And okay, that video has dropped. Okay, so since that video has dropped, let me open it once I'm to read that. One of the best blender and cheapest in the I'm going to go to my YouTube channel now and then upload that video instead of using another video to do an example. So I'm going to say upload. And so when I say upload now, I will come to download where I've already downloaded that particular video. Of course, it's going to be, can you see the video now? So it's already in my download. So I upload it, and when I upload the video like that, I take it to since I'm just doing this, I'm not going to monetize this, so I'm just going to let it go like that, and then I'm going to say off, and then I'm going to say done. I'm going to say done, and when I say done, Okay, okay, this save. So once I do this now, the next thing I want to do is that, okay, so you see that video is loading for me. It's loaded already, okay? That video is loaded already. Can you see the video here? So I click on the video. I pick the link of the video. Can you see the link of the video? I pick the link of the video. One of the best blender, can you see, and cheapest. So I come over here and I say, I click on this thing here, and it shows me, sorry about that noise. I come over here, it shows me this, and I click on this link, and it shows me this link here, and I'm going to say Control V. Okay? Over here, it says text. I can say click here for but I can click on something like buy. I can put something like buy now. Okay, so I just say apply. So if you don't want to put that video link, you can put a link where they can pay. Maybe you go and create something in Paystack where they can pay. You can just put that there. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, so once you do this, the next thing is, I don't seem to like this background. It's not making my work look very beautiful. So I'm going to say select. I want to see, maybe I should maintain the same thing I pick up there. So I maintain the same thing that I pick, or I just say regular. Okay, so I just leave it at regular. Oh, but it's nice. I pick something, right? I think that's nice. Let me select something here. Okay, so I want to select something beautiful. So that's the thing now. So I select this. So I haven't selected that. You can see that, and then you can click on buy now. And when you click on buy now, it will show this link, and then you click on it. It takes you to that. One of the best blender and cheapest in the world is so you can see how that is done. And having done that, you can now come back here, draw another one, put it here, and then come here, and then you upload another product. Maybe this time around, let me look at trainers. Okay, do I have trainers here? I don't have trainers here. Let me see this, if I can get trainers here. Okay, so look at this. I can put this one here, right? But it's not showing me everything that I'm supposed to have. So let me see if this will be better. Okay, can you see this? So I can say the best trainers in the world, the best sneakers in the world. I mean, you can just put anything you want to put, and then you put the link, and then once you are done with that, you can do many other things. You can add a link, change the text, add some page, add thing, but don't make it complex. It's a one page, and then you can do something like this again and again. And then let me view it. Let's preview and see how our site is going to look. Can you imagine? Can you imagine this fantastic job? Can you imagine? It's just a one-page website. And when you have this one-page website, you want to sell things, you can just come over here, copy the whole link, and then come to Facebook. And when you get to Facebook, you want to advertise. So you go to pages on Facebook, and then you say plus. It should, in case you don't have page, you say plus. That plus will show you create, so that you go and create a page. But I already have a page, so what I'm going to do is that I am just going to go over to my page, and that's what I am going to do. I'm just going to go over to my page. So you create a page if you don't have one, but because I have a page already, I'm just going to come over here and say I want to get my page. Okay. So you come over here and say, where's my page right now? Okay, so I can come over here and say, this is my page, Lift Up Radio, and then I'll come over and say, you say, what's on your mind? And I say, let's say, get the best at the cheapest price, and then I can just put an image of maybe the blender or the trainers. Okay, I can just put this, and then I put it there. Okay, when I put this there, you can see this right there, and then when you see this right there, you can just say post. And then when you say post, before I say post, I'm supposed to do something. So maybe I should redo this, or let me see, edit my post. So let me edit my post. So over here, I say, so check out the link. So that link, I can put it here, Control V. So I can say over here, check out this link for the cheapest and best products. Okay, so you see that, save. I say Control save. So now you see what I'm saying. You see what I'm saying. You see the product, right? Now, the moment you do this and you say share, you are going to be having something like this. Okay, so you are going to be having something like this. And when you have something like this, it's going to come over here and say, okay, so that's for a page. Okay, so you can now go ahead and decide to go over this advert again and again and again, and then share with your friend, or you post it. Another thing you can do is that apart from create, you can also create, okay, it's a page. You can also boost that page. Okay, I think that's the actual thing I wanted to do. So look at this. I'm going to pick this. So I say next. So when I say next, hide post, manage post, delete post. No, I want to boost it. I want to boost it. So I'm trying to look for the boost button. So when I have this now, it's supposed to give me a boost button, but that's not coming up straight away. Okay, let me see this. Since that's not coming up immediately, one of the things you can do is that you can use this to share on your platform, on Facebook or social media. Use it to share, and then people can see that link, and then you can begin to sell. Then you can promote this particular page. Okay, you can promote this particular one on. You can promote it on your YouTube. I mean, you can promote this on your Facebook. Okay, so let me see. That's page. Let me see group. So if I have my group here and I'm searching for my group, okay, I can pick this. That's one of my group, and I can also post it on my group, right? I can also post it on my group. So that's another thing that you can actually do for yourself. So you could actually go on a page and do that, and then you could actually go on a group and do that, and then you will be able to help yourself. Now, let me show you another method where you can do this. Now, when you get to a page, you can come like this and say, let me pick this. I'm not going to pick that one. You can promote. When you promote, what that simply means is that you want to promote that link. Okay, so let's come over here and do some of that. Let me say boost a post. So I can select a post and boost it. Okay, so let me select any of my posts and boost it right here. Okay, I don't want to do that. Let me automatically boost your best post. Get started. Okay, instead of me to get started, I need to set up the post first. So let me see what I can do here to set up a post for myself. So I come over here, I create a post. I said, get the best product, get the best at the cheapest price for a limited time. I think one of these days I will talk about how to create a sales copy. What are the words you use that will sell? Maybe one day I'm going to do that. But this is just an example. Then you put the link. You put that link, and then you come over here, and then you say, let me put that blender. You can actually make a graphic design that contains the blender plus the shoe and everything you want to do, and then you just push that. Okay, could not post on timeline. Okay, so because this could not post on timeline, I'm going to copy everything from here, and I'm going to go back and say, how do I discard this? And I'm going to exit view, and I'm going to come over here to my page over here. I don't know why it's doing this to me, but let me just go back home and see the home page. Over here I can see pages, and then I can click on lift up radio. So over here, when I click on lift up radio, I now say over here, let me share a post. So over here I decided to write something like what I've written the other time, and then I want to put the image. Okay, that's not also working. Let me see if this one will work. Get more messages. Okay, that's not what I want to do. Cancel, yes. Cancel, confirm, yes. Okay, promote your page. Okay, it's asking me the type of ad I want. Boost a post, get more messages, promote your page, get more visitors to your website, get more leads. Things have really changed. So what I'm going to pick is get more messages. So I think we're at the right place now. So what do? You come over here and you say, how do you want your ad to look like? So I come over here and I say Control A, Control V, and I put all of this there, right? When I put the whole of that there, I come over here and I say upload my image, and they just changed that anyway. So I'm just seeing this for the first time. You know, Facebook used to change stuff. You do not have permission to update ad accounts. Okay, so let me just cancel that. He said I don't have permission to update ad account. Let me cancel that and see how I can do this for you, because I have to do this. This is the first time they are doing this, and let's get started over here. Next, let me see next. Okay, so over here you can see it here that I can do a post for 7 days. Yes, let's exit. Okay, so we can come over here and edit existing posts if we so desire, or we just promote page. So let me see. I want my ad to appear like get more leads. Let me put something like that. Boost the post. Boost the post is still going to be the best. Get more messages rather. And I'm going to put all these informations. So what I'm trying to say is that, and I say here promote. It's supposed to show me promote where I can pay. Okay, I think this is what I'm looking for. Finally, I got it. So you come over here and then you upload your image that you want. You upload your image that you want. And then once you upload your image that you want, now I need to say to you that Facebook just changed this. That's why it's like I was actually trying to get the positioning of things. So you just put that, and then it asks you how many people do you want to reach. You give them, it gives you the number 4,100 people to 11,100 people, and you say you will get a reply between 7 and 21 people. And let's say you want to sell 10 products, that's a good one for you, and you're going to be paying $5 for that. But you come down here and you put your ATM card, and you are good to go. So that is how to boost it. You have created this page already. See the way it's looking like. See the way it will look like on phone. See the way it will look like on tablet. See the way it will look like on desktop. Isn't that fantastic? A one-page e-commerce website, and you are selling through Facebook, making some serious money for yourself. If you like, you can go and do adverts on YouTube and put that link there, and that will also make you some money. Now, you see this whole long site, you can also convert it to just one page. Now, if you are watching this video and you are learning one or two things, please, I want to encourage you